Arlene Isabel Foster PCMLA is a Northern Irish politician serving as First Minister of Northern Ireland since January 2020 and previously from 2016 to 2017. She has served as leader of the Democratic Unionist Party since 2015. She is the first woman to hold either position. Member of the Northern Ireland Assembly for Fermanagh and South Tyrone since 2003. Foster served in the Northern Ireland Executive as Minister of the Environment from 2007 to 2008, Minister for Enterprise and Investment from 2008 to 2015 and Minister for Finance and Personnel from 2015 to 2016. In December 2015, Foster was elected unopposed to succeed Peter Robinson as leader of the DUP. In January 2016, Foster became First Minister of Northern Ireland and shared power with Martin McGuinness. McGuinness resigned as Deputy First Minister in January 2017 amid the renewable heat incentive scandal, which involved a green energy scheme that Foster set up during her time as Minister for Enterprise and Investment. The scheme was set to cost the taxpayer £490 million, and there were allegations of corruption surrounding it. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.